Namaste everyone. Today we're going to do side bends and a gentle twist to relieve back discomfort. For this practice, we will need a wall and a yoga mat. So let's get started. So the first pose we're going to do is a triangle pose. I'm going to place my feet about an inch away from the wall, keeping both legs straight, pointing my right toes to 90 degrees to the right and the left toes forward. So first thing is to level the hips and shoulders. I'm going to point both my hip bones forward and gently lean my buttocks against the wall and then lean my shoulder blades against the wall. I'm going to spread my arms wide here. So leaning the back of my arms against the wall as well. So take an inhale, and as I exhale, I'm going to slide my back along the wall while I lower down to triangle pose. So holding on my right leg to my right leg, and then lift my left arm all the way up. Try to turn your body up towards the ceiling a little bit more here. So you want to lean the left side of the shoulder blade against the wall a little closer. Adjust where you want to turn your head towards to. You can always look downward if your neck feels uncomfortable. Just make sure that your back is nicely leaning against the wall here. Okay, then micro bend the knee. Slowly inhale. Just keep your back very close against the wall here. We're gonna do a reverse triangle. So straighten the right leg, pushing through the right foot. Keep your back really close to the wall. And then left hand to the left thigh, right arm up towards the sky. So for this one, there's a tendency to roll the left shoulder forward. We want to just actively push the left shoulder blade and shoulder back against the wall, and then look all the way up. Now, if it feels right for you, just bring your right arm all the way over your head towards the left side. And slowly come back up, keeping your back close to the wall again, and then release. Okay, now for the twist, you're gonna heel toe your right foot in. It's about 1 or 2 steps, and then turn your body to the right side. Then turn that left foot 45 degrees out. So again, try to level your hips here. So the first thing we do is windmill the right arm all the way up. Depending on how comfortable your shoulder is, you can always just keep the left hand against the wall and then turn that right palm facing the wall and just soften the right knee, just gently twist towards the wall here. And for those who feel okay, you can walk your right arm all the way up and behind you, and try to keep that right hip away from the wall, and then spread your left arm out to the side, pushing through the right foot, pushing through the left foot, pushing the wall with your hands. Exhale, draw the belly in, twist, and then slowly come back to the center, and then we repeat on the second side. There you go. Happy practicing. Namaste.